Is homework time a challenge in your household? Never fear, because Alloprof Parents is here. Here are 5 ways we can help you make homework time a little easier. Subscribe to our newsletter filled with practical tips and the best tools to use based on your child's needs and the time of year. Read our hundreds of articles and blog posts that address parents' concerns about their children's education. Download our practical and fun educational tools, and don't forget, lots of games and exercises for students are in the works. Get tailored advice from our specialists, such as resource teachers, who can answer your questions free of charge. Watch our inspiring videos and gain some insightful tips, which just might help you see things more clearly. Visit the Alloprof Parents website today to find all the tips and tricks you need.